Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela, Ubadeiru Menteri Ketenat Penroisor, Ubas Ngau Bahalang Dhar Ulaong, Baka Sorkar Kadang Ya Kren Dor, Bat Trai Jaka, Na Bynta Shna Marten Hasilong, Bat Haki Nongba Jong Ki Weipat Ki District. Ulaong Baka Sorkar Kalathau Daka Komiti, Kaban Ya Kren Penbet Ya Kedor. Halor kejing temu ban Shna Marten han nong hali, ubas ngau bhalang ulai tu, bala dep ban pelong ya ka public hearing, bat kalong kabayad bed ya renti, bat kabasa menta, kadai satang kejing pen bed ya kador. Ha Jaintia Hills Ulaong, baka Sorkar Kamparyo Jaka, kadba ha William Nagar bat turapat, la yo yeki Jaka, bat kejing keren kadang ya cakaman.
No, public hearing has been held, so we are here to negotiate about the rate. And we have been from the negotiation committee under the head of the DC or Commission DC itself, who had the DC, or I'm not very sure whether DC or Commission Secretary of Urban. So they have formed the committee, the negotiation committee, and that is the part left.
So Marten,
if the rate is as per both win-win, so we may go ahead. So if the rate is too high, that's a different question now.
so Marten will be shifted to Nonghali.
Wherever, I cannot say Nonghali, I cannot say we can let us see first. Wherever place final, we will see that automatically.
But I thought
That's okay, so all went smoothly. So the main part is now with rate, no? Not discuss rate until and unless the hearing is completed. So the public hearing is completed, now we are here to negotiate with the landowner, I mean the community of the Nonghali village. Them are under process, and like Jaintia, we are here to identify William Nagar has been done, Turas or done, and few places has been acquired already, and some places is still under to be identified about new locations. We are trying all the towns, we should have our own landfill.
But Jowai Town,
It's 3-4 places, but we are yet to find out which one is feasible for the landfill. Yet to finalize. It was just 2-3 places, public is really against it, so I quit that one and we are moving to the new places. It seemed okay, but I won't share where is the place, but it seemed to be okay. With their own tic-tacs, because we are happy to see there is no waste in the market, in the locality, that is priority for us.